Welcome back to our channel. Today we're addressing an important topic: how to prevent the Roblox app from accessing your camera on your PC, especially after the recent update. If you're concerned about your privacy while gaming, we've got a straightforward guide for you. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up the Start menu. From here, look for the Settings option and click on it. It's usually represented by a gear icon and is where you can adjust various system settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to click on Privacy and Security. This section manages all your privacy settings, including camera access. Now, within the Privacy and Security page, you'll find several options on the left-hand side. Look for the Camera option and click on it. This will bring up all the applications that have requested access to your camera. Finally, you'll see a list of apps that can use your camera. Find the Roblox app and toggle the switch to disable it. By doing this, you'll ensure that Roblox cannot access your camera, keeping your gaming experience private and secure. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can prevent the Roblox app from accessing your camera on your PC after the new update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Stay safe while gaming and see you next time.